Hey, what's up? I'm Russ, and this is Dapper Dividends. Thanks for swinging on by the channel, where we are working to make work optional, and we're doing this through stock and crypto passive income. And my, aren't you looking good? This is the second part of the top 15 dividend stocks. If you missed part one, check it out right here. And just a refresher, these are going to be ranked by the lowest dividend yield to the highest. And the whole point of this is to just put these on your radar to let you know what the top 15 yielding dividend fast food companies are. And I guarantee you, you're going to be surprised by number one. So let's get to it. Coming in at number 7 is ticker YUM, Yum Brands Incorporated. Together with its subsidiaries, develops, operates, and franchises quick service restaurants worldwide. The company operates restaurants under the KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, and the Habit Burger Grill brands. And as of December 31st, 2020, it had 25,000 KFC units, 17,639 Pizza Hut units, 7,427 Taco Bell units, and 287 The Habit Burger Grill units in approximately 150 countries and territories. The company was formerly known as Tricon Global Restaurants Incorporated and changed its name to Yum Brands in May 2002. Yum Brands Incorporated was founded in 1997 after they spun off from one of my favorites, PepsiCo, ticker PEP, and they are headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky. Yum has a current dividend yield of 1.70%, paying out $2 per share annually, payout ratio of 47.72%, and a 5-year growth rate of 8.55% that has been growing for 16 years. Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $100.21, making Yum Brands about 17.3% overvalued at the current price of $117.53. Coming in at number 6, ticker NATH, Nathan's Famous Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, owns and operates franchise restaurants under the Nathan's Famous brand name, as well as sell products bearing the Nathan's Famous trademarks through various channels of distribution. It also has license agreements for the manufacture, distribution, marketing, and sale of Nathan's Famous branded hot dogs, sausages, and corned beef products in refrigerated consumer packages to be resold through retail channels such as supermarkets, groceries, mass merchandisers, and club stores. The company also sells Nathan's products directly to end users or to various food service distributors, as well as provides Arthur Teacher's brand fish fillets. As of March 29th, 2020, its restaurant system consisted of 4 company-owned units in the New York City metropolitan area and 216 franchised units in 21 states and 9 foreign countries. Nathan's Famous Incorporated was founded in 1916 and is based in Jericho, New York. So according to Seeking Alpha, Nathan's does not pay a dividend. But when I looked at their last financial press release, they declared a quarterly cash dividend of 35 cents per share to shareholders of record at the close of business on February 22nd. So right around the 3rd week of May would have been 3 months for their quarterly dividend. I called Nathan's and talked to their investor relations. They said that they are filing tomorrow, which is June 11th, 2021. That's the end of their fiscal 21 year, and they will announce their next dividend if one is being paid, but they couldn't tell me. So keep an eye on that if you're thinking of investing in Nathan's. And I would disagree with Seeking Alpha that we don't know if they're going to pay a dividend, and we will find out very shortly. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to assume that they still are paying that dividend. And at the current price, if they were to pay that, that would be a 2% yielding dividend. Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $20.94, making Nathan's about 233.6% overvalued at the current price of $69.86. And coming in at number 5, ticker MCD, McDonald's Corporation operates and franchises McDonald's restaurants in the United States and internationally. Its restaurants offer various food products and beverages, as well as breakfast menu. As of December 31st, 2020, the company operated 39,198 restaurants, McDonald's Corporation was founded in 1940 and is based in Chicago, Illinois. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go to Seeking Alpha has a dividend yield of 2.23% for McDonald's, paying out $5.16 per share annually with a payout ratio of 59.81%, 7.78% 5-year growth rate, and growing that dividend for 12 years. Simply Wall Street has a fair valuation of $185.20, making McDonald's about 25% overvalued at the current market price of $231.47. Now, these next two are not exactly fast food, but if you call ahead, you can do a to-go order or do DoorDash, so it'll be kind of fast for you. And for the purpose of this video, they're food, they're eating establishments, just go with it. Number 4, ticker CBRL, Cracker Barrel Old Country Store Incorporated develops and operates the Cracker Barrel Old Country Store concept in the United States. Its Cracker Barrel stores consist of a restaurant with a gift shop. The company's restaurants serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Their gift shops offer various decorative and functional items such as rocking chairs, seasonal gifts, apparel, toys, cookware, and various other gift items, as well as various candies, preserves, and other food items. They're not just a restaurant, they are an old country store as well. As of September 16th, 2020, the company operated 663 Cracker Barrel stores in 45 states. Cracker Barrel Old Country Store Incorporated was founded in 1969 and is headquartered in Lebanon, Tennessee. Cracker Barrel has a current dividend yield of 2.54%, paying out $4 per share annually with a little bit of a high 76% payout ratio, 5-year growth rate of negative 21.64%, and they have grown that dividend for 0 years. Simply Wall Street has a fair valuation of $154.17, making Cracker Barrel about 2.2% overvalued from the current price of $157.51. Number 3 goes to ticker DRI. Yes, not a fast food restaurant in the vein of McDonald's or Wendy's, but it is food nonetheless, and that is Darden Restaurants Incorporated. Through its subsidiaries, owns and operates full-service restaurants in the United States and Canada. As of May 31st, 2020, it owned and operated approximately 1,804 restaurants, which included 868 under the Olive Garden, 522 under the Longhorn Steakhouse, 165 under the Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen, 81 under the Yard House, 60 under the Capitol Grill, 44 under the Seasons 52, 41 under the Bahama Breeze, and 23 under the Eddie V's Prime Seafood brands. The company was founded in 1968 and is based in Orlando, Florida. Yes, it's not fast food, but if you want to add some upscale dining to your portfolio, look no further than Darden Restaurants, which has a 2.54% dividend yield, paying out $3.52 annually, a payout ratio that's way up there of 89.94%, negative 4.83% 5-year growth rate, and growing that dividend for 0 years. Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $119.76, making Darden Restaurants about 15.8% overvalued from the current price of $138.67. Number 2 on the list, ticker QSR, Restaurant Brands International Incorporated, owns, operates, and franchises quick service restaurants under the Tim Hortons, Burger King, and Popeyes brands. As of December 31st, 2020, the company owned or franchised the total of 4,949 Tim Hortons restaurants, 18,625 BK restaurants, and 3,451 Popeyes restaurants in approximately 100 countries worldwide and U.S. territories. Restaurant Brands International Incorporated was founded in 1954 and is headquartered in Toronto, Canada. Restaurant Brands currently with a dividend yield of 3.13%, paying out $2.12 per share annually, payout ratio of 79.72%, which is above the 70% threshold that I'm comfortable with, but a 5-year growth rate of 33.66%, and they have been growing that dividend for 5 years. Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $53.58, making Restaurant Brands International about 26.4% overvalued from the current price of $67.72. Y'all ready for this? The number one fast food dividend stock, it's just based on yield right now, is none other than ticker BABB. BAB Incorporated franchises and licenses bagel and muffin retail units under the Big Apple Bagels, My Favorite Muffin, and Sweet Duet trade names in the United States. Its BAB franchise brands consist of daily baked bagels, flavored cream cheeses, premium coffees, gourmet bagel sandwiches, and other related products. As of November 30th, 2020, the company had 72 franchise units and 7 licensed units in operation in 22 states and the United Arab Emirates. BAB Incorporated was incorporated in 2000 and is based in Deerfield, Illinois. BAB Systems has a current dividend yield of 5.13%, paying out 4 cents per share annually. Seeking Alpha says the payout ratio is 129.78%. So I took a peek at Yahoo Finance, and the trailing 12-month free cash flow yield is only 46.44%. But from 2020, their free cash flow yield was 145%. So this is a bit of a risky play, but when you see the price, you're going to understand why. And keep in mind, they are only a $5.6 million market cap. They are teeny tiny. The 5-year growth rate is negative 30.12% and growing that dividend for 0 years. Simply Wall Street has a current fair value of 67 cents per share, making BAB about 16.3% overvalued from the current price of 78 cents a share. There it is. Those are the top 15 dividend-paying stocks. You're now a more informed investor. Feel free to dive deeper into any of those that may have interested you. Let me know what you think of these. What did you think of the number one stock on this list? Were you as surprised as I was? We want to hear about it. You can let me know on Twitter at RustyRam78. And for your viewing pleasure, check out this video I did on Starbucks, one of my favorite companies that I did not include here. And I will talk to you there.